Hi there, and welcome. In this short video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Figma plugin. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly import colors, images, and icons saved in Frontify directly into your Figma workspace. Let's get started. This link in the help article will take you straight to the Figma plugin page. Next, choose a Figma file where you want to retrieve your Frontify assets, colors, or icons. A banner will appear. Just click Run to open the plugin. And here it is, the Figma plugin. You can check media, icons, or logos. You can also change the brand and access the same components. Let's say I'm a designer and I need to add a logo to an image for a marketing campaign. Now, I want to select a good inspiration image. This one here looks perfect. Let's add the Ventura logo to the image by clicking on the Logo tab and selecting the right one. Then, simply drag and drop it into the workspace. And that's how easy it is to create your images with the Figma plugin. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.